All right, unfortunately, it doesn't look like we'll face another day like Friday anytime soon. But again, with that being said, fire season is not over with here yet. But what a beautiful weekend, beautiful couple of days. Even right now, that sky pretty nice, and the temperatures have warmed up into the 70s. After highs were in the 60s in places this weekend. Great Falls a little more gray, a little cooler, 68 degrees, warmer air is coming up from the south. You can see Butte at 78, Dillon 78, Bozeman at 83, but with that rain in Cut Bank, temperature of 60 degrees, kind of an east to north wind, but there's a real strong south wind across the southwestern part of the state. We've had gusts over 50 miles per hour around Dillon earlier. I'm sure Norris Hill is just a tough drive. That wind will continue tonight and then pick up again tomorrow. More of the state will be a bit breezy tomorrow and also into Wednesday. But because of the wind, there's a high wind warning, a wind advisory, including Powell County, and then a flood watch in northwest Montana where we need the rain the most. The worst drought and the worst wildfires are up in northwestern Montana. Helena, we had that rain last night and this morning. We're in the clear for now. There may be a stray shower or storm. That goes for Great Falls as well the rest of this evening, but some of that rain up around Shelby and Conrad, Cut Bank, East Glacier. Of course, we've got fires in Glacier, fires up in the Bob. 1-2 inches of rain has fallen on some of these fires, and we've got more moisture down to the south here. Now, what was Hurricane Hilary has kind of been absorbed by this, but there are two separate areas of low pressure just off the coast that helped bring up that moisture. And we still have a lot of moisture to come up through the state here over the next couple of days. It will come more in the form of thunderstorms, though, as opposed to the steady rain that we saw at times. But you can see a couple of these storms even tonight, and Helen and Great Falls, maybe an isolated shower or storm. Tuesday starts off quiet, partly to mostly sunny, humid again, and then we'll see the thunderstorms firing through the afternoon and the evening pretty much across a lot of the state, and some of these storms will put down very heavy rain. I mean, all the way into Tuesday night, Wednesday morning, couple storms northeast Montana, and then Wednesday afternoon, we'll do it all over again with more storms redeveloping. Look at some of that rain on the wildfires up in the northwest part of the state. Here's the forecast for tonight. Still rainy around Glacier, the East Glacier area, some showers out to about Chester and Rudyard. A couple isolated storms maybe after midnight, northeast Montana. Lewistown this evening could see an isolated shower or thunderstorm. Same with the Helena area, but it'll be mainly dry. Tomorrow, afternoon and evening thunderstorms, and you thought summer was over? Not so fast. 80s and 90s. And again, big storms afternoon and evening. Wednesday, it's a little breezy, 70s and 80s. Scattered thunderstorms through the afternoon and the evening. Now Thursday, what a lovely summer day it will be. 70s and 80s, sunshine, a little on the breezy side. And Friday also looking pretty nice, 70s and low to mid 80s. Here's the 7-day forecast for Helena. Strong to severe thunderstorms likely tomorrow afternoon and evening. Same with Wednesday, but Thursday and Friday, even this coming weekend, looking very nice. Great Falls, watch out for the storms the next few days before beautiful weather.